Flower arrangements bring beauty, elegance, and a sense of tranquility to any space. Whether you prefer fresh blooms or dried flowers, the right arrangement can elevate your home decor, brighten up special occasions, or even serve as a heartfelt gift. From classic bouquets to modern, minimalist styles, flower arrangements offer endless creative possibilities. The key is understanding composition, color harmony, and the right container to enhance the natural beauty of flowers. In this guide, we'll explore various flower arrangement ideas, from traditional to contemporary designs, and offer tips on how to make your arrangements last longer. Classic flower arrangements follow timeless design principles that create a balanced, visually appealing display. The most well-known style is the symmetrical bouquet, often found in wedding centerpieces and elegant home decor. Popular choices include roses, lilies, peonies, and hydrangeas arranged in a rounded shape for a traditional look. These arrangements often feature a harmonious color scheme, such as pastel tones for a soft, romantic feel or bold reds and whites for a more dramatic effect. Adding greenery like eucalyptus or ferns can enhance the composition, providing texture and depth. Traditional floral foam can help keep the flowers hydrated and in place, ensuring the bouquet stays fresh longer. Whether placed in a ceramic vase or a decorative urn, classic arrangements exude sophistication and timeless charm. Loved these flower arrangement ideas? Give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who enjoy floral decor. For those who prefer a sleek and contemporary aesthetic, modern and minimalist flower arrangements are an excellent choice. These designs focus on simplicity, clean lines, and negative space. Single stem arrangements, featuring striking flowers like orchids, anthuriums, or calla lilies, create a sophisticated look with minimal effort. Glass vases with a clear structure enhance the modern aesthetic, allowing the beauty of each individual bloom to stand out. Another trend in modern floral design is the use of monochromatic color palettes, where different flowers in the same color family create a cohesive and elegant display. Asymmetry is often embraced in contemporary arrangements, allowing flowers to be arranged in an organic, flowing manner rather than structured formations. This style works well in urban interiors, offices, and modern homes, bringing nature into spaces in a refined way. Which flower arrangement is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Seasonal flower arrangements celebrate the beauty of nature throughout the year, incorporating blooms that are in season to create vibrant and cost-effective displays. Spring arrangements often feature tulips, daffodils, and cherry blossoms, embodying renewal and freshness. Summer arrangements bring bright and cheerful colors with sunflowers, daisies, and zinnias, capturing the warmth of the season. Autumn floral displays incorporate rich tones of orange, burgundy, and gold with chrysanthemums, dahlias, and dried leaves for a cozy and rustic touch. Winter arrangements focus on evergreens, holly berries, and white blooms like amaryllis or paper whites to create a festive and elegant holiday aesthetic. Thematic arrangements, such as floral displays for weddings, birthdays, or holiday celebrations, often incorporate symbolic flowers that represent love, joy, or prosperity. Using seasonal elements ensures freshness, longevity, and a connection to nature's changing beauty. For more floral inspiration, home decor tips, and creative ideas, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Creating your own flower arrangements allows for personal expression and customization to suit any space or occasion. DIY arrangements can be as simple as gathering wildflowers and placing them in mason jars for a rustic charm, or arranging supermarket flowers in an artistic and thoughtful way. Experimenting with different vase shapes, such as bowls, baskets, or repurposed glass bottles, adds creativity to your designs. Layering flowers at different heights creates a dynamic and natural look, while using floral foam or wire can help structure more intricate compositions. Adding unexpected elements like dried flowers, herbs, or even fruits can make your arrangement unique and visually interesting. The key is to have fun and experiment. Flower arranging is an art form that allows for endless possibilities and personal flair. Want more design inspiration? Check out our playlist for more stunning floral arrangements and decor ideas. In the end, the art of flower arranging is much more than just placing a few stems in a vase. It's a way of infusing a space with life, joy, and natural beauty. As you carefully select your flowers, think of them as more than just decorative elements. They are symbols of connection to nature, a reminder of the seasons, and a tangible expression of creativity. Whether you're using flowers to celebrate a special event or simply brightening your everyday surroundings, each arrangement becomes a part of your unique story. Over time, as you experiment with different styles and combinations, you'll develop your own floral language. The colors, textures, and scents you choose will begin to reflect your personal taste and the atmosphere you wish to create. From soft and romantic to bold and striking, every arrangement offers a chance to explore new ideas and push your artistic boundaries. Floral design encourages a sense of mindfulness, allowing you to slow down and immerse yourself in the beauty of nature. As you arrange your flowers, take a moment to appreciate the intricate details of each bloom, the delicate petals, the soft fragrance, and the vibrant hues that seem to dance together in harmony. This quiet act of creation can be incredibly therapeutic, offering a peaceful respite from the busyness of life. The power of flowers goes beyond their visual appeal. Their fragrance has the ability to evoke deep emotions and stir memories. The scent of a freshly cut rose might remind you of a summer garden, while the earthy aroma of lilies could transport you to a quiet woodland retreat. This sensory experience enriches the environment and helps to create a space that feels both inviting and tranquil. Don't be afraid to mix different types of flowers, greenery, and containers. The beauty of floral design is its versatility. You can combine delicate blossoms with bold foliage, or pair wildflowers with modern glass vases. The possibilities are endless. You can also experiment with different arrangement styles, whether it's a loose and organic bouquet or a tightly structured, symmetrical design. Every arrangement can have its own character, style, and impact. One of the most rewarding aspects of flower arranging is the sense of accomplishment that comes with completing an arrangement. Watching your vision come to life, from the initial selection of flowers to the final touches, is a truly satisfying experience. And when you place your creation in its intended spot, whether on a dining table, a coffee table, or as a centerpiece for a gathering, you'll be able to admire your work and the beauty it brings to the space. As flowers age, they undergo a transformation that's just as beautiful as their initial bloom. Watching the petals unfurl and change colors is a reminder of the fleeting nature of life itself. It's also an opportunity to create arrangements that celebrate the seasons, spring blooms, summer blossoms, autumn foliage, and winter evergreens each offer their own charm and aesthetic. Seasonal arrangements can keep your space in tune with the natural rhythm of the year, offering variety and surprise. Floral arrangements don't always have to be grand or extravagant. Sometimes, a simple bouquet of freshly picked wildflowers can bring just as much beauty to a room. The key is to focus on the feeling you wish to evoke and the story you want to tell with your flowers. It's about creating an atmosphere that enhances your environment and makes you feel connected to the world around you. Flower arranging also offers a chance to share love and joy with others. A beautifully crafted arrangement can serve as a thoughtful gift for a friend or family member, expressing gratitude, sympathy, or celebration. Flowers have a universal language of their own, and the act of gifting a floral arrangement is a timeless gesture that conveys emotion and care. As you continue your floral journey, don't forget to have fun with it. Let each arrangement reflect your personality, your mood, and the energy you want to bring into your space. Whether you're arranging flowers for a special event or simply enjoying the process of creation, the most important thing is to embrace the art form with an open heart and a curious mind. The world of floral design is full of endless possibilities, waiting for you to explore. Every arrangement you create, no matter how simple or intricate, adds something special to your home, your life, and your experiences. Flowers hold the power to transform any space, and with each new creation, you unlock the potential for even greater beauty and creativity. Interested in the vases, flowers, or tools used in this video? Find all the links in the description below. So keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep enjoying the process of bringing nature's wonders into your life. As you discover new flowers, styles, and techniques, let the joy of flower arranging continue to inspire and uplift you. And remember, just as each bloom tells a story, so too does each arrangement you create.